Hey everyone, I'm here at Elite MD talking all about hair loss. So one of the most common things that we see at Elite MD is people who suffer from chronic hair thinning or hair loss. And there's a wide variety of reasons for this. Now it is normal to lose up to 100 hairs a day. So know that if you're losing hair and you see that tub filled or that shower filled with hair, some of it is actually a normal process of losing hair. One of the main reasons that we do see hair loss is due to genetic influences or hormonally related conditions. So if you've seen family members who are losing hair, chances are if you're thinning out here at the very top or the crown, it could very much be genetically related. There are, however, other reasons for hair loss, including autoimmune, as well as styling habits, even dietary and stress can also affect hair thinning and hair loss, medications and other health-related conditions that you might have. So it's really important to see your doctor to evaluate what kind of hair loss is affecting you, because that will then dictate your treatment plan and progressive hair loss over time. Once we find out what is wrong, and oftentimes we will even take a sample here so that we can diagnose exactly what's going on to be able to give you the best appropriate treatment options. If you are a man or a woman, which we do see a lot more women these days losing hair, especially with increased scalp show, or I put my hair up in a ponytail and it's thinning out, generally tends to be distributed more on the top of the scalp versus the back of the scalp, because this is where it is hormonally induced versus safer and actually protected from hormonal influences. So some of the treatment options we might consider are hair supplements, including natural hair styling habits, making sure your diet is also well balanced. And then certainly we go into the medical treatments such as topical treatments, oral treatments, injections. And then finally, know that there's hair restoration options. So for more information, please see us at our event, which is going on this month, and we can also evaluate you and talk to you about all of your options, and just come get educated. Bring other family members or friends that are also affected by hair loss, because it is a very common problem. And for more information, visit our website. We'll see you soon.